My brother.
Walaikum Salam.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please
Okay.
start
Today I
your
present.
lecture.
Excuse me.
Please start your lecture.
Okay. Okay. Firstly, thank you very much for your organized this webinar. My brother, Dr. Akram, and thank you very much for participate all of the people in this webinar. I today I wanted present of the plant tissue culture and product of secondary metabolite. Firstly, I talk with about the plant tissue culture, and prepare of the medium plant tissue culture medium. After that, produce it of the secondary metabolite by use of the plant tissue culture medium, suspension culture, callus culture, and bioreactor, use of the bioreactor and production of this plant secondary metabolite. Plants have got a many secondary metabolite for use of the for development new drug. Nowadays, use of in the world drug originated by plant secondary metabolite. That's why traditional medicinal, folk medicine, and Eastern medicine very important of the medicinal plant very important. That's why we need of the every season produce it of the produce it of the produce it of the produce it of the plant, because many plants many plants all of germinated of the spring or summer, but we need of the every season of the plant, because production of the secondary metabolites and originated of the plant material. That's why we need of the plant material every season. We use plant tissue culture for this aim, and we produce it of the laboratory and in vitro condition. Firstly, we prepare of the medium. We prepare of the medium for cultivated of the plant explant. How can I prepare of the plant tissue culture medium? Firstly, use of the medium Murashing's cook medium, Gamborg's B5 medium, needs medium commonly used in the plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture, and we take of the 4.4 milligram and this medium 1 liter. We take of the 1 liter distilled water and add of the 4.4 milligram this medium. We can use of the I say a little time ago medium use of the propagation of plant tissue culture medium. Also, we can add of the 30 gram sucrose in 1 liter, and we measure of the pH, and we measure of the pH, and we add of the plant agar. After that, we had to sterilize it of this medium. How can I sterilize it of this medium? We can use of the autoclave. Autoclave. After the autoclave the medium, and we study of the floor laminar air cabin. Floor laminar air cabin use of for sterile medium, and we use it of the magenta. This magenta, what is the magenta? Magenta of the prepare of the medium. We insert the medium this cup of plant growing medium. We can prepare of the medium and we insert of the plant material in this magenta cup. We can use of the leaf, root, shoot, and node of eggplant and insert in this medium, because why we use of the different part of this the plant material, because some secondary metabolite produced and leaf, some secondary metabolite produced of the leaf, some secondary metabolite produced the root and the other part of the plant. For that reason, we use of different part of this plant. We name this name of the eggplant. We name it of the eggplant and insert of the plant medium. And after that, insert of the cultivated of the eggplant in the plant tissue culture medium, we put in the climate chamber. This chamber give of the liquid and temperature. We easily medium conduction. And we aim of the this study produce of the secondary metabolite in this part, name of the eggplant. Also we can obtain of the plant shoot or callus, calli, or other plant cell line. This cell line produced of the secondary metabolite. Sometimes we can use of the elicitor or precursor for increase of the in this secondary metabolite. We easily increase of the metabolite use of the elicitor and other precursor. We can use of the abiotic and biotic stresses factor and elicitor. This elicitor, biotic elicitor, jasmonic acid, gibberellic acid, and abscisic acid, ethylene. In this plant growth regulator use of for increase of the secondary metabolite in culture medium. Also, abiotic elicitor, UV, temperature, heavy metal, or other condition of the medium we increase by the secondary metabolite of the plant. Also, we can use of the bioreactor, very important for production of the secondary metabolite, because we product of the mass. We product of the mass in this condition. And we can easily extract it of the secondary metabolite of the bioreactor, and we study of the other search. Also, my partner, we will study together in my laboratory, Gökhan Dervişoğlu. Now listen to me, and we study research of cancer research laboratory. Gökhan, can you hear me?
Yes, hocam.
We can study laboratory, cancer research laboratory. I want that speak about of the this research. Can you talk about a little time in this issue?
Hocam, we study cell culture and bioactivity of some substances and antioxidant, antimicrobial activities of some substances.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. I want that I want that continue of the research subject. Cancer research laboratory use of the have got the cancer cell line. We can easily produce it of this cell line in the wild plate. We have got lung cancer. We have got lung cancer cell line. We have got colon cancer cell line, breast
Yes.
cancer cell line, and other cancer cell line commonly used in my research. Firstly, we product of this cancer cell line in the wall plate use of the medium RPMI DMMF on DMMF 12 medium.
Yes.
After product of this cancer cell line, we measure of the total cell in the wall plates. And measure of the after the measure of the cancer cell line, we obtain of the extracted in put in this well plate. Because we want to the proliferation of the cancer cell line in the well plate. And we cultivated of the one night overnight in the carbon dioxide incubator, and we insert in the well plate of the VST1 crickets for proliferation. And ELISA reader measure of the cancer cell line died of not died. We not only cancer cell line, also we not only cancer cell line, but also normal cell line. We have got a laboratory in normal cell line, MRC5 cell line used for control. We every time we study together, my brother Dr. Gökhan Dervişoğlu, and study in laboratory. Also, my laboratory open of the researcher and students for my brother Dr. Akram. Every time we can collaborate together. I want to talk about of the scholarship of the Turkey. We have got many scholarship program, Council of the Higher Education program, supported of the Pakistani people. Also, Pakistani student and researcher follow of the web page of High Council Education in the Turkey. Also, to be tax supported of the researcher and student in the Pakistan and other countries student and researcher. Many program supported of the researchers. Also, I will when you want of the share of this link, easily you search of the to be tax web page. I want to talk about of the Mevlana and Erasmus exchange program. This program supported of the foreign country students for exchange. Erasmus Plus program supported by of the European Union country. Also, Turkey supporting this program student or the researchers. My department coordinator Gökhan Dervişoğlu. Gökhan, do you talk about of the Erasmus Plus program exchange program?
Yes, I Erasmus coordinator of my department, namely molecular biology and genetics. We changed our students, and we sent our students to Polonia, University of Polonia, Lublin, and Italia. We collaborate two or three university as foreign.
Okay,
Okay.
Gökhan. Thank you so
Tam ne
much.
diyeceğimi bilemedim
Gökhan
hocam.
said Gökhan said that about of the exchange program. Two or three students nowadays of go in Poland, in Lublin University of Life Science, and other student of the go on Italy, because we have got a we have got two country have got a protocol. Also we have got a protocol of the Pakistan. Every time Pakistan, Poland and Italy students come and visit in my laboratory and study together, not problem, because Erasmus exchange program supported of the student this country student, because my university and my department have got of the protocol. Also, Mevlana exchange program supported by the exchange program supported by the students. This program give of the huge amount of this researcher and students. Every time we will wait your students. Every time my laboratory open up for your in this webinar. Thank you so much, my brother, for listening to me.
Thank you hocam.